Arrive in style with this Kia 2019 Stinger GT2. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 12-way power adjustable driver's seat, 3.3L V6 DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 365 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with climate control, audio controls on steering wheel and automatic transmission. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.